Namaskar. Welcome to the tutorial on editing user profile in Moodle LMS Portal. This tutorial illustrates step 4 editing user profile in Moodle LMS Portal. The tutorial assumes you have valid user account in Moodle LMS Portal and working knowledge of computer, mobile or tablet. This tutorial is recorded with Moodle version 3.9 build 20200615 and free and light Moodle theme. Windows 10 Home Edition version 21H1. Moodle site with higher or lower version of Moodle installation may have slightly different functions and options. Different Moodle theme may have different layout. Now, in order to edit user profile in Moodle LMS Portal, first we will log in to the Moodle portal with user ID and password. After logging in to the Moodle portal, you will come to the dashboard of the portal. Now we have to click on the down arrow just after your name and your profile picture. You will get option for profile. Now you can see the different section of your profile. The first section is user details. Here you can find the details related to the user. The next section is course detail. In this section you will find the detail of courses in which you are enrolled in. And in the third section under the miscellaneous you will find blog entries, forum post, forum discussion and learning plan. How to make blog entries, forum post, forum discussion we will see in the coming videos. In the right side you will find the first section as a report. Here you can see your browsing session. It will give you detail that on which day and time you have logged in to the portal to track your learning. The second option is the grade view. Here you can find the details of the grade which is secured by you in the different tests. The next section is the login activity. This shows that when you have first access to the site and when you have last access to this website. Now we will see each section in detail. The first section is user detail, and within the user detail you will find that your email ID is given, your country is given, and city or town is given which you have entered during registration to the portal. These entries can be edited and enriched. In order to edit your profile, first you have to click on Edit Profile. After clicking on the Edit Profile, you will come to the Edit section of your profile. The first option is your first name. If you want, you can modify it. Second option is your surname. If it is required, it can be modified. The third option is your email address. If you wish to change your email address, you can change here. Then the next option is to whom you want to display this email ID and to whom you want to contact. There are three options. You can choose the option based upon your requirement. The next one is Moodle Net Profile. If you have created your account in the Moodle Net, then you can put your profile ID here. You can also change your city or town which you have entered during the registration. Then there is an option for country and the time zone. By default, the country is kept India and the time zone of India is kept default as a server time zone, that is Asia Kolkata. In the next section related to the description, you can write about yourself. This section have a basic text editor function which can be expanded by clicking on the first button. See, if I am clicking first button, it is expanding, and when I am clicking again, it is minimizing. Within the text editor, the first option is for the paragraph style. The next option is to make the content bold. Third one is to make the text italic. Then you have bullets, then numbering, and these are the indent in which your text can be arranged. If you want to give link to the some text, you can use the link button. If you want to insert picture, then you can insert picture by this button. You can use this button to underline the text, to strike through the text, to give subscript and superscript, then change the alignment of the text. You can explore all the buttons one by one by yourself. The next section in edit profile is user picture. You can upload your profile picture in this section. In order to upload profile picture, you have to click on this file button, add, then you can click on upload a file, then you have to choose file, then you have to select the picture you want to upload. I am uploading this picture. Then click on upload this file and you will find that your profile picture is uploaded. In case you want to delete this file and upload a new picture, click on the picture and choose delete. The profile picture can also be uploaded by drag and drop method. For example, I am dragging and dropping my profile picture in this area to upload it. It can be done in this way. Go to the file, drag it and drop it here. The profile picture is uploaded. There are other sections in the edit user profile section like first name phonetics, surname phonetic, middle name, alternate name. In the interest area, you can write about your interest, and there are some optional section also where you can write your Yahoo ID, department, institution, mobile number, address as per your wish. After filling all the details, you have to go down and click on update profile. After clicking update profile, your profile will be updated. To know more about the e-learning portal initiative, please navigate to the link shown on the screen. I, Gautam Kumar, with this tutorial signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.